Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, I am going to show you how to cuff your pants. So let's get started. So to make the process easier, you can use a stool or a chair like this and keep your feet on the stool and do the fold like this. Now to do the cuff, you'll have to just pull your pants up slightly like this so that you will get a nice and tight cuff. Then you'll have to hold the inner stitched part and pull it out like this and fold it backwards. Once you fold it backwards, just hold the fold with one of your hands and cuff your pants up first in the place where you are holding the fold. Then you can cuff all around. But see that you are still not leaving the hand with which you are holding the fold where you have folded the pant backwards. So I will be doing a slightly broader cuff here so that I can show you properly. Otherwise if the cuff is too small, then it is very difficult to show it properly. Then again cuff your pants where you are holding the fold first and then go all around. With this we finish the pinroll cuff. You can later on obviously adjust it as and how you want. There is no problem in that. So now I will demonstrate to you quickly on the other leg. So pull your jeans up first, then pull the inner side stitched part, fold it backwards and cuff the pant up where you are holding the fold first. Then go all around. Once you are done with one cuff, again cuff the pant where you are holding the fold first, then go all around. Then later on you can adjust it as and how you want. So here I am done cuffing my pants. Please do let me know which one looks better with or without cuff, or which is your preference. Now let's see how it looks.